Hello and welcome back. We are away. We've not been away since February. Hope you're all well. We're up at Donkey Creek. A bit different this time. We came on Thursday night and got set up here. The traffic was horrendous. It took us, it usually takes us 50 minutes from home to get here, but it took us an hour and 45 minutes to get here from home. There must have been an accident on the M6. So we set up on Thursday night. What was it?
Three.
About 3 accidents, there you go. I thought she was sticking them up at me, but she was saying 3. And we got up here Thursday night, got set up, and then Friday I went to work, and I set off from here and went to work, and it was not much more than travelling from home to work, so it wasn't too bad. It was alright. And then I came back here. Last night we had a curry at the Millen, just round the corner. If you're here at Donkey Creek, the Indian round the corner, the Millen is absolutely fantastic. I had a balti. It was really hot. It was hotter when it came out as well. I'm not saying that. I said it now. This morning, but yeah, proper ring sting. But anyway, I can't say that. I just said it. So it's Saturday morning. We're gonna go out in a bit, but we're gonna have some breakfast. Making some sausages in the Ninja. So whack that in there. Oops, I can't do it one-handed. I'm going to put some John Smith. No, I'm not. So hang on, we better plug it in, haven't we? That might help. Switch the thing on. Okay, this is good, isn't it? So you press air 200, and then time. We'll put it on. Oh, time. No, down. We'll put it for. I'll put it for 13 minutes because I'm weird like that. I'm just going to move that away from there a little bit, and then start. That's a start stop there. Away we go. Right, sausage butty's done. I'm going to put some horrible sauce on them. Angela don't like that. So we're just gonna have breakfast, and then we're gonna have a wander out. We're gonna go to Preston. We're gonna go to Preston Caravans down the road. We're only looking. We're not changing yet, and we need some blue, so we'll go down there. Quite a few people on an update video in April asked how Angela was getting on. She's getting better every day, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah, she's getting better every day. She's not back at work yet. She's going back next week, and she's doing a phase return for a couple of weeks, and then hopefully increasing that time. But she's getting better every day, and you're still a little bit slow, aren't you? I can't call it slow. Like thinking, processing things.
Yeah. I pause.
You pause. It takes a time anyway. But she's getting better. Right, let's have breakfast. Right, we've just got back from Preston's, had a quick look round. Nothing really there that I fancied in my price range. There's nothing around about 30 quid, so it's not good for me. I've bought this from Amazon, and it's a new cleaning thing I've bought. There's 3 of these pads that go onto, I'll show you in a sec. So there's 3 of them. It's got the microfiber, and it's got this head here, but the reason why I bought it is because it comes with 4 extensions, so I presume that goes in there like that, and they just so you can have it at different lengths. But do I need it at full length? Yeah, I will do, to do the front of the roof. What are you talking? I know what you're talking about, lengths and stuff like that. Anyway, yeah, I do need a bit more. So that goes in there, and then
It's gone off.
yeah, it's alright, yeah. That goes in there, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and then that screws into the head there like that. And what I'm going to use is my Autoglym Caravan motorhome cleaner. Put that on the end there and give it a good bloody clean. Right, let's go and have a clean. Right, so that now reaches up there, so we can clean the front of the van, because I couldn't get up there before because I'm a short ass, but now I can, and it's just yeah, easy now, so we'll carry on with this and do the rest of the van. Jobs are good un. Right, so we've done this side. Angela's just swelling the front off, and again we're using that Autoglym stuff. It's easier with that thing I've bought because I can get right to the top there. Just clean the top of the awning rail. But yeah, it's probably going to take about half an hour to do the whole van really, which is fairly easy and good. Right, I'll show you when we've done. So we're just doing this side and we've realised there is a line across the top. I mentioned this before, and it's really dirty at the top. I don't know if you can see that, but I honestly think that's because in the infinite wisdom Bailey didn't put 2 awning rails on the van, and there's no awning rail on this side to stop those streaks coming down, so it's really ground in. I'm going to have to give that some work, but the rest of the van, let's go around and show you. It's gleaming. Again, that's just the Autoglym stuff. But yeah, it looks it's fairly decent, nice and clean. Right, so I've taken the head off and left that to dry, and then I just take it apart and put it back in its bag. I think it was 21 quid, I think. I'll put a link in the description. Again, it's not an affiliate, it's not, well, it will be an affiliate link, but I've paid for this, I've bought it, so yeah, it's quite good. That it's done the job. I'm just going to take it apart, put it back in its bag, have a brew and a piece of cake. Morning, Sunday morning. We went out last night for a meal to the Ship Inn with Mark and Sarita, Tony and Deb, and then we went to a microbrewery we've never been to before in Freckleton. It was like a little bit of a shop front, but you go in there and it was quite nice really. Had a couple of pints in there and then come back, tap and drum, that was it, and then come back here and had a few pints and then sat down. Today is glorious sunshine. I'm going to go for a walk after, but it is lovely today. There's an ice cream shop just down the road. We're going to have a walk to there, but I'm going to do breakfast this morning. We're on bacon in the air fryer, and also we've got our gas stove out that we're going to cook some eggs on. We don't use that hob really, we just use that. It's much easier just to get that out and cook on that. Right, so breakfast time. Right, we're going to go for a walk to the ice cream shop, which is about 10 minutes away of that. And we've just had a chilled out morning, cleaned the van inside and done some jobs. Just going to mention one more thing before I go for a walk. It's a bit of a bugbear, and always is, and that is pitch etiquette. Don't run over somebody else's pitch. That's all I need to say really. Bye. Morning. Well, it's our last morning pack up day at Donkey Creek. We had a fantastic weekend. Last night I watched the Grand Prix. Lando Norris won his first Grand Prix. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Lando. Not that he's going to watch this. Well, he might do, you never know. He might be a secret caravanner on side, I don't know. Recently we reached 10,000 subscribers. Big thank you to everybody that's subscribed over the years and supported the channel over the years. I really do appreciate that support. We're not done yet, we're just going to keep going for now. Our next trip out is actually at Torfest, which is at Donkey Creek, so we're looking forward to meeting everybody there. I think Tony's going to give you some details about what's going on that nearer the time. And that's it, I think. Is there anything else? No, I'm just going to have a brew and then start the pack up. It's roughly about 50 minutes away for us to get back to the storage, and then that's job done. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, keep subscribing, see how far we can get the channel. Angela's dropping stuff out the kitchen units. You're supposed to put it away, not it fall on your head.
Just throwing it on the floor.
Stop throwing it on the floor. Right, you take care, we'll see you soon, bye bye.